You walk into your bathroom for the first time since moving out on your own, and something smells off. Not terrible, just noticeable. You glance at the sink. There's toothpaste dried along the edge. You look at the mirror. Spots and smudges everywhere. Then you look at the toilet. And that's when the realization hits. No one is coming to clean this. Growing up, this just got handled. You didn't have to think about it. It reset itself. But now, nothing resets. It's all up to you. And for a second, your brain tries to negotiate. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it'll go away. I'll deal with it later. So a few days go by. Then a week. And suddenly it's not just a quick clean anymore. It's a full-blown situation. The smell is stronger. The buildup is visible. And now it feels worse than it should. So you decide, all right, I'm doing this. So you grab the first thing that comes to hand. Some paper towels. Maybe some random cleaner you found under the sink. And you start with the easiest thing. The mirror. Wipe. Streak. Wipe again. Then the sink. A little more effort is needed here, but it's still manageable. And then you get to the toilet and you pause because this feels different. No one really explains this part. How to clean it, what to use. You're just figuring it out. And it feels weird because now you're not just using the bathroom, you're responsible for it. And this isn't really a video about how to clean a bathroom. It's about why this moment feels so uncomfortable the first time you have to do it on your own. Here's where most people mess up the first time. They treat it like one big job. Clean everything, all at once, and only when it gets bad. And that's what makes it feel overwhelming. But the people who don't struggle with this, they're not better at cleaning. They just don't let it become a big job. They reset small things. More often, wipe the sink when you notice it. Quick pass on the mirror every couple of days. Take 2 minutes instead of putting it off for later, and suddenly, it never becomes a situation. Because this isn't really about cleaning. It's about realizing that all of the little things, the ones you never noticed before, they don't happen automatically anymore. If you're a parent watching this, this is one of those moments that's easy to step into. You see it? You want to fix it. You want to show them how to do it the right way. But this is one of those transitions that only clicks when they feel it themselves. Not when it's handled for them, because eventually you walk into your bathroom and nothing feels off. And that's the shift.